Now my manager here is actually now a service gateway. I can see that if I went into the abstract manager, I can see I'm using the service gateway. Now I can choose to rewrite the code right here to actually make it work, but I'm going to do something else. I'm going to make a new manager to show you the power of the actual way we implemented the MVC solution in the beginning. So I'm going to make a new class from scratch, and I'm going to call it Wish Service Gateway, like this. Let's do enter here, and it's going to be a public class. It's actually going to be internal. And I'm going to extend the iService Gateway, and it's going to be with a wish inside it. There we go. And let's just pull in the wish like this. And then what I wanted to do is actually pull in all the missing members like this. The delete, read, update, every one of them. There we go. Now my service gateway is ready. So everything here seems to be running. I just have to figure out how to actually pull information from an actual REST API now, instead of where we before in the manager went down and pulled stuff from the database, right? So we're going to figure out how can we actually get information from a web client here, or in our case from a REST API here, instead of an actual database. So that's the goal of the next few lessons, but I just wanted to show you guys now we actually use the service gateway instead. So the only thing I have to change now is actually to go into my DLL facade, and instead of using the wish manager, when I get a wish manager, I need to go in here and get a service gateway. So I'll say return new service gateway. There we go. It's still, everything else works. Notice my MVC application doesn't crash at all. So let's go into the wishes controller. Still works, just out of the box, because up here we're actually using a service gateway. So it doesn't care what you put in. It's just, it needs to be something that extends this interface. So we've made a very, very easy to change application, at least the front end part of it. So I won't do anything else right now. Next we'll try and do the read one. See you in the next lesson.